Hello everyone, my name is Shreya and today I'm gonna discuss Junior Office Assistant exam जो कि आज 21 मार्च 2021 को हुआ है. So I am going to discuss series C of this exam. So discussing starting from question 1, which of the following HTML tag is used to create a numbered list of items? So the answer here is order list, that is B. Next question is the concept of CAPTCHA is based on test to distinguish between human and machine operators. So here the test name is Turing test. So the answer here is option D. Coming to the third question, how many heading levels are supported by HTML? So 6 heading levels are supported by HTML, that is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So heading to the question 4, which of the following is not a part of a URL? So access type, fragment and domain name are the part of URL, whereas protocol is not that part of URL. So option A is the correct here. Question 5 is which of the following is the HTML tag to create a data cell in a table? So here the answer is TD. This is the part of table cell, that is D. Question 6, which of the following is the HTML tag to insert an image in a web page? For inserting we use IMG tag in HTML, so the option correct here is A. Question 7, in Dash CSS style is specified using the style attribute of the element. So our answer is inline CSS. So in inline CSS we use style as an attribute. Question 8, which of the following CSS properties is used to set space between the content of the border and an element? So the answer here is B, that is padding. Padding is used for content and border spacing. Next question we have is 9th. How will you link an external JavaScript file with an HTML document? So answer here is A, that is using script element. We use an for creating a link between external JavaScript file, we use script element. So answer here is A. Question 10. Which of the following HTML tags is used to create a hyperlink in a web page? So we use anchor tag for creating a hyperlink. So the answer here is C. Question 11. Which of the following is a voice controlled digital assistant provided by the Microsoft Windows 10? So the voice assistant provided by Microsoft Windows 10 is Cortana, that is answer D. Question 12. Which mode disables a device all the wireless transmission functions like cellular radio, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth? Here the answer is D, that is airplane mode. Next question, which of the following is a Microsoft anti-malware that provides real-time protection against viruses, malware and spyware? So here the answer is Defender. Question 14, Windows Dash mode boots the computer using minimal functionalities with limited number of running applications and processes. So here the answer is A, that is safe mode. Question 15th, which of the following web browser is installed by default in Windows operating system? So the by default browser, as we all know, whenever we purchase a laptop, so in the Windows 10 we used to have Internet Explorer as a by default web browser, rest we have to install by ourselves. Question 16, which of the following is a free cloud storage service provided by Microsoft to store up personal files of the user? So here the answer is D, that is OneDrive. So OneDrives provide a free cloud storage, which is a feature of Microsoft. Question 17, Windows Dash consists of quick actions area and the notifications area to enable convenient access to them. So as we all know, taskbar provides quick actions area as well as notification area, which is present in the bottom of the laptop. So the answer is B. Question 18, which of the following characters is not allowed in a file name in Windows operating system? So B part, that is question mark, is not allowed. Question 19, which of the following utilities is used to check and fix disk errors in Windows operating system? So check disk, that is D option. DSK is used as a utility to check and fix disk errors. Question 20, what is the shortcut key to open Windows Task Manager? I am really sorry, I have a discrepancy in this. I am not sure about any answer, but as per my knowledge, the right answer is Control plus Shift plus Escape, but I really don't know, so I have not given us any answer about this question number 20th. So coming to the question number 21st, the dash is the database used by Windows operating system that stores the settings for hardware, software and user setting. So here the answer is registry. So registry is the database that stores the setting of hardware, software and user settings. Question 22. What is the Linux command to terminate a running process? So the command which is used to terminate a running process is C, that is kill. Question 23rd, which of the following clauses in SQL select statement is used to filter the rows as per the given condition? So as per the given condition, we use the where clause. As we all know, like whenever we write like select this, where, but then we write condition like name is greater than 14 or lesser than, that kind of condition. For that we use where clause. So question 24, which of the following SQL statements is used to add a new column in a table? For adding a new column in a table, we use alter table command. So the answer is D. Question 25, which of the following languages is used as scripting languages in HTML document? So we use JavaScript as a scripting language in HTML. So answer is A. 26, which of the following is a DDL SQL command? So create is a DDL SQL command. Coming to question 27, which of the following SQL query will find the number of records in a table X for which the column Y has a value of more than 70? So select count star. So count star will count all the rows, whereas from X, so from a table X, where is used for providing condition, where Y, that is Y has value more than 70. So here the answer is A. Question 28, which of the following attributes must be defined in an input element in HTML form to ensure that it is not left blank? So while we create a form in HTML, we use an input tag, and in that if we want to ensure that no column is left blank there, so for that we use required as an element. So answer is A. 29, which of the following programming languages is used to create macros in MS Excel? For creating macros in MS Excel, we use VBA programming language. So the answer is B. Question 30th, which of the following CPU components generates timing and control signals for executing an instruction? So for executing an instruction, we use arithmetic use, but for creating timing and control signals in CPU, we use here control unit, that is option B. 31, the term SSID is associated with which networks? So SSID is associated with Wi-Fi. So the answer is B. 32, how will you insert the symbol less than in HTML? So for less than, greater than and, we have a certain symbols to insert them. So for less than we use and LT. So the answer is C. 33, which of the following is a popular GNOME Linux desktop environment? So GNOME is that Linux desktop environment. So answer here is A. 34, which of the following network devices operate in layer 3 of ISO OSI reference model? So router is that is available in layer 3 of network layer. So router is there in network layer. 35, the process of writing data on a CD is also known as burning data to the CD. So the answer here is A, that is burning. 36, which of the following is not a relational database management system? Rest all are them. MongoDB is a non-relational database management system. So C, MongoDB is the correct answer here. 37, which of the following boxes is not present in CSS box model? So padding, border and margin are the features of CSS box model, whereas header is not part. That is, a header is a kind of header tag that is used outside of it. So answer C is here the correct answer. 38, which of the following is the correct SQL query to fetch the rows from the employee table having salary less than 5,000? So here we have first of all taken select statement, then star, that is for the whole table, from employee, from which table? From employee table, where we have used the condition. So the condition is salary should be less than 5,000. So salary should be less than 5,000. For condition we have used where, table is employee, and for selecting them we have used star. So the correct answer is D. Moving on towards question 39, which of the following is the correct SQL statement to delete a database table? For deleting a database table, for complete database deletion, we use drop table command. So drop table name is used here, whereas delete is used for a particular row deletion. So C is the right answer here. 40, which of the following is the correct CSS rule? So here the P color, that is red, this is fourth syntax is the correct one. 41. Which of the following HTML tag is used to include an external CSS file in a web page? For including external CSS file, we use the tag that is link, so answer B is here correct. Now coming towards the GK questions here from the 42. Longitudinal extent of HP is, for Himachal Pradesh, the longitudinal extent is to 55, that is the A, 75 degree 47 to 7904. Coming to 43, number of municipal corporations in Himachal Pradesh, that is 5 right now. 44, Sukhar Khad is located in which district of HP? That is Hamirpur. In Hamirpur we have Sukhar Khad. In 45th question, Siaul is tributary of which river in Himachal Pradesh? That is of Ravi river, Siaul is the tributary. Heading towards question 46, Baba Barbag Singh Fair is celebrated in which district of Himachal Pradesh? In Ola we used to celebrate Baba Barbag Singh Fair, so that is C is the right answer. Famous environmentalist Kinkari Devi belong to which district of Himachal Pradesh? So Kinkari Devi belongs to Sirmaur district, so here the answer is B. 48. Hattu Peak is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? So in Shimla, Hattu Peak is located, that is A. 49. Chuar Valley is located in which district of HP? That is in Mandi, A. 50. Pir Parbati National Park is located in which district of Himachal Pradesh? In Lahaul Spiti we have Pir Parbati National Park. Answer C. Now for 51 question, Bunda festival is celebrated in which district of HP? It is celebrated in Kullu. 52. Chamba Dominion was founded in which year? So Chamba Dominion was founded in 550 AD. And toward next questions. 53. Suket Princely state was founded by whom? So it was founded by Bir Sen, that is B answer. 54. The old name of Jubbal was, so Jubbal old name was Deorha, so C is the right answer. 55. Which is the executing agency of Pong hydroelectric project of Himachal Pradesh? So Pong hydroelectric project executing agency is BBMP, that is answer D. 56. External university is located at which place in Himachal Pradesh? Bara Sahib. In Bara Sahib we have external university, that is answer A is the correct here. Now 57. The first Buddhist council met at, so the first Buddhist council met at Rajgriha, so answer is A. 58. The council of the 9 Jains is associated with, so it is associated with Chandragupta II, so A here is the right answer. Now 59. Token currency was introduced for the first time in India by whom? It was introduced by Muhammad bin Tughlaq. C is the right answer. 60th question. The capital of the kingdom of Maharaja Ranjit Singh was? It was Lahore, that is A is the right answer. 61. Who was called by the British rulers as the leader of Indian unrest? So Bal Gangadhar Tilak was called as the leader of Indian unrest, so C is the right answer. 62. Who introduced the railways and telegraphs in India? That is Lord Dalhousie, that is D. 63 question. Fundamental duties were incorporated in the Indian Constitution in which year? In 1976 fundamental duties were incorporated. 64. Which state does not have a bicameral legislature? Bihar, Karnataka and Maharashtra, all of them have the bicameral, whereas Rajasthan does not have, so the correct answer here is B, that is Rajasthan. 65. Who administers the oath of office to the President of India before he enters upon the office? So Chief Justice of India takes the oath of office to the President of India before he enters upon the office, so C is the correct answer here. 66 question. Monetary policy refers to the policy of central bank, so C is the right answer here. 67. Seasonal unemployment refers to, so here seasonal unemployment mostly occurs in India in agriculture sector, so here the right answer is A. 68. Which is the brightest planet? So the brightest planet out of them is Venus, the answer is D here. 69. Anticyclones are caused by, blow spirally inward, whereas anticyclone winds, they are caused due to winds that blow spirally outward from the center, so here the answer is B. 70. Peru is located in which continent? So Peru is located in South America, that is D. The capital of Switzerland is Bern, that is A. 72. Which Indian state is known for its sandalwood? So Karnataka is the state which is known for its sandalwood. So D is the correct answer. The next question we have 73rd, that is the highest dam in India is located in. I have a discriminancy in this, as the highest dam of India we have Tehri Dam, which is located in Uttarakhand. We don't have the option, so maybe I'm wrong here, but I have a discriminancy over here, so I can't give you any answer. So 74th question here is, insulin is secreted in, so insulin is secreted by pancreas in our body. So here the answer is C. 75, rayon is chemically cellulose. So rayon is chemically called as cellulose. So the answer is C. Kala Azar, that is called as disease. This is transmitted by whom? So this is transmitted by sandfly. So the correct answer here is A. 77, the air becomes heated by, there is a process in science due to which the air becomes heated, so that process is called convection. So the correct answer here is B. 78, in a class of 36 students, Ravi's rank from the top is 12, Radhika's rank 3 places above Ravi. What is Radhika's rank from the top? So Radhika's rank from the top, it would be 27. It is a logical answer, as we know that Ravi's rank from the top is 12 and Radhika is ranked 3 places above Ravi, so Radhika should be at 9 places, so 36 minus 9, it would be 27. Next question we have 79. A man pointing to a lady says, her brother is the father of my only son's sister. How is that lady related to the men? So there is a question which is asking relation between lady and man, and as we know, her brother. So the man's brother is the father of my only son's sister. So that father and that brother, so that in conclusion, that is B, that is a sister. So that lady is a sister of that father. So the next question we have is 80th. Rohit walked 25 meters towards south, then he turned to his left and walked 20 meters, he then turned to his left and walked 25 meters, he again turned to his right and walked 15 meters. At what distance is from the starting point in which direction? Sorry, I'm unable to here clear it because it is a graphical type of, like I have to write it. So the correct answer here is A, that is 35 meters east. In your notebooks you can start from one point and then go towards, like it would be starting, it would be going towards 25 meters towards south, from there it would be moving towards left. So that left means that would be moving towards east, so that means 20 meters, then it would be moving towards upward when it moves towards left of that east, so that would be 25. So at that point from the starting one, it would be like 20 meters and the rest would be moving 15 meters, so 20 plus 15, it would be 35 meters towards east. So the correct answer here is A. I hope you are able to get it. If you know, then draw it on your notebook. 81. Rajendra Kumar Bhandarim, who was in news recently, is the winner of which award? He got the award of Subhash Chandra Bose Apara Pravadhan Puruskar. So A is the right answer. 82. The venue of the exercise desert night 21 was, it was in Jodhpur. So answer C. If you don't know, even then also you can get a hint from here that it is written desert. So desert are present in Rajasthan, that is in Jodhpur. So the correct answer here is C, that is Jodhpur. 83rd. Shagun is a flagship scheme of which Indian state? So Punjab, it is present in Punjab, the scheme. So the answer is here is D. 84. Antonym of blisses. So blisses, antonym, that opposite of bliss is sorrow. So the answer here is B, that is sorrow. One word substitution for a person who readily believes other is. So that person who believes readily towards others is termed as credulous. So the answer here is B. 86. He has been recently discharged the army. So the correct answer should be from the army. That is D. 87. Meaning of the idiom a red letter day. So whenever we used to see the calendar, the days which are written in red we used to consider as an important day. So here A is the right answer. So red letter day symbolizes an important day, A. Now coming to 88th question, that is of Hindi. चयन का संधि विच्छेद है. So A plus an will go yo. So C is the right answer here. चयन, चे plus an. 89. देशभक्ति में समास है. देशभक्ति में जो समास हम यूज करते हैं वो होता है तत्पुरुष, दैट इज देश के प्रति भक्ति. सी पार्ट. 90. थकान में प्रत्यय है. इसमें थकान उपसर्ग और प्रत्यय होता है. उपसर्ग होता है स्टार्टिंग, प्रत्यय होता है एंडिंग. दैट इज इन इंग्लिश वी कॉल प्रेफिक्स एंड सुफिक्स. सो हियर दे आर आस्किंग अबाउट सुफिक्स, दैट इज प्रत्यय. सो एंडिंग पार्ट, सो थका हुआ अलग से और आन अलग से. सो दैट्स वाई प्रत्यय जो एंडिंग का होगा, अगर हमसे वो उपसर्ग पूछते तो हमने बोलना था थका हुआ, थका, और अब हमें प्रत्यय पूछा तो हम लिखेंगे आन. सो थका प्लस आन. सो हियर प्रत्यय इज आन. सो आंसर इज डी. 91. रजनी का पर्यायवाची है. रजनी का पर्यायवाची हिंदी में होता है यामिनी. सो आंसर हियर इज ए. Think toward question 92. Which is the derived data type in C language that consists of different members sharing the same memory location? So union is a derived data type which same memory location, like different members share the same memory location in union. So the correct answer here is C. In 93, in C language all the preprocessor directives begin with which character? So like we all know, hash include iostream.h, hash include io, like all this kind of in C and C++ we use hash. So the correct answer here is B, that is hash. 94. The bitwise exclusive operator in C language is represented by which symbol? So bitwise exclusive operators used to have this operator, like left towards left, shift toward right. We used to, for that we specify this bitwise operator is specified using this D symbol, that is caret symbol. 95. Which of the following operators in C language has two variants called pre and post? So in increment and decrement only we used to have pre increment as well as post increment. So rest all are wrong here. So answer B only given here, not decrement. So that's why we have here B, that is increment. So the two variants are used in increment as well as decrement. 96 question. In C language all the characters string terminate with which character? So for in C language we used to terminate a string using #0, whereas #n is used for creating new line and T for stopping a one sentence. Now 97. Which of the following standard library functions in C language is used for formatted output? So in C language for output we use printf, for taking input we use scanf. So here the correct answer is D, that is for formatted output we use D, that is printf. 98. What is the format specifier used in scanf to read a single character from the standard input? For reading a single character in C language we use ampersand, that is C, whereas for string we use A. So here if they have asked to read a single string, then we would be using A option, but we are given single character, so we here will be using D, that is ampersand C. 99th question. What will be the output produced by the following code segment in a C program? So here as you can see, int A is equals to 5, B. So B is equals to pre-increment. If they are given post-increment, then we would be writing here 5 only. But they have given plus A, that means pre-increment we have to do. So 5 plus 1 would be happening over here, so it would become 6 plus 7 by 2. As we know 7 by 2 it would be a float value, but they have already mentioned that they want integer value. So 7 will divide 7 by 2, so it would be 3. We'll ignore the decimal part here, so we only take the 3 here. So 3 plus 6 would be 9. So while printing the value of B would be 9, that is A. 900. What will be the output produced by the following code segment in a C program? So in a C program the output produced by the following code segment would be, as they have mentioned, A value is 7, B value is 8. So in the printf they are asking A and B. So AND value here, this would be used for the logical, like if that would be like if A is equal to 7, B is equal to 7, in that case it would be giving A1, but here 7 and 8 are two different values, so here the answer would be C, that is 0. Coming towards 101 question. Which of the following statement is not true about variables in C programming language? So the answer is the variables names are case sensitive. This would be wrong here, so answer A. I am a little bit confused about this question. I am not sure, but still I can say that the answer is A. So the questions which I am having little bit confusion I am mentioning along while discussing. So next question is 102. If the size of short data type in a C implementation is 2 bytes, for 2 bytes, then what is the maximum value that can be stored in a variable with this type? So for variable with this type, the maximum value stored would be 32762, that is the C. What is number 3? What is the decimal representation of the 2's complement number 1101011? So for 2's complement, I am not writing over here, but I will be speaking out that for for finding the 2's complement of a number, what we do, first of all we will convert this 1 1 0 1 0 to the 1's complements. For doing 1's complement, what we do, 1 will be converting to 0 and 0 will be converting to 1. So the value will come for 1's complement would be 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. So for converting that 1's complement to 2's complement, what we'll do, we'll be adding 1 to that 1's complement. So when we'll be adding 1 to that 1's complement, we would be getting a value. So then we will convert that value into the decimal system, and it is given in the binary format. So in that process we'll be finding, so the answer there would be 21, but here we will be getting minus 21 because in 2's complement the we will be getting a starting 0, so that will denote it as negative. So the answer here is D, that is minus 21. Coming to question 104, how many bits are used for fractional part in I, E, floating point single precision representation? So for that we use C, that is 23. 23 is used, 23 bits are used for fractional part in I, E, floating point signal. So C, 23 is the right answer. 105 question, which generation of programming languages make use of compilers and interpreters? So in the third generation we were using compiler and interpreter. This was a generation of microcomputers. So the answer here is C. 106, what is the full form of DHCP with respect to computer networking? So here the answer is dynamic host protocol control protocol, but as per my knowledge it is dynamic host configuration protocol. So let's see what would happen. So the correct answer here would be C. 107, what is the full form of Wi-Fi with respect to computer network? So Wi-Fi's full form here is wireless fidelity, that is A. Heading towards 108th question. Dash is the part of operating system that handles the core functions like CPU scheduling and memory management of the operating system. So kernel is the part of operating system that handles the core functions like CPU scheduling and memory management. Next is 109, that is a scanner may have an ADF to feed pages for scanning. What is the full form of ADF in this statement? So ADF full form is automatic document feeder, that is option number D. Coming towards 110, how many bytes are there in 1 million bytes? The 1 MIB, we have C, that is 2 raised to the power 20 bytes we have. Heading towards 111, these are the questions. Which of the following is the correct ordering of memory capacity units in the increasing order? So first of all, that is gigabyte, terabyte, then EB. So the correct answer would be B here. Now 112, the terms hit and miss are associated with which memory? So in cache memory we use the term hit and miss. So the answer here is B, that is cache, which we also call cache memory. Maybe I'm wrong in the pronunciation here. 113, which type of printer contains a fuser assembly? So fuser assembly printer is inkjet. So D, inkjet is the right answer. 114, by using dash option while printing multiple copies of a multiple page document, the printer will print all pages of each copy before printing the next copy. So collate is an option that will print one copy of them before copying all. So 115, dash provides mobile user with positional, navigation and timing services. As we all know, that is a GPS. So answer here is A, that is GPS. 116, image dash is a process of removing unwanted outer areas from the image. That we all know, cropping, and we used to do this in our mobile phones as well. We used to crop the pictures. So for removing the unwanted outer areas, we use the process that is called image cropping. That is answer C. Heading towards 117th question, Amazon Web Services is an dash service platform offering various IaaS and PaaS solutions. So Amazon Web Services is famous for cloud platform. So the correct answer would be B, that is cloud service platform. 118, which of the following is not a product of Adobe Inc? So Photoshop, InDesign and Illustrator are the products of Adobe, whereas Blender is not. So here the correct answer would be D, that is Blender. Now heading towards 119, who among the following is the developer of C language? We know that Dennis Ritchie is the one who has developed the C language. D option is the correct. 120, which of the following is the correct pairing of networking terms and their inventors? So we have to give correct, like who has invented www, email and internet. So www was invented by Tim Berners-Lee, email was developed by Ray Tomlinson and internet was developed by Winton Cerf. So the correct answer here would be B. 121, Which of the following generation of computer use integrated circuit? So the correct answer is C, that is third. As in first generation was using vacuum tube, second generation was using transistor. So in the third state, that is the third generation, we used integrated circuit. So third, that is C, is the right generation. From 122, who among the following invented the CD-ROM? So CD-ROM is invented by James Russell. That is D. Now coming to question number 123, who among the following is the inventor of USB? So USB is invented by Ajay Bhatt. That is A. Heading towards question 124, what is the shortcut key to open the font dialog box in Microsoft Word? So for opening the dialog box in Microsoft Word, we use key combination Control plus D. So the correct answer here would be C. Next is 125. Font sizes are generally measured in points which is equal to dash of an inch. So 1/72 of an inch we used for points measurement in, that is of font sizes. So the answer here is D. 126. MS Word has tabs set at every dash inch by default. That is half inch by default we use. A. So 127. Which of the following is not a type of section breaks in MS Word? Next page would create a new section. Continuous will also go to the next page, and even page or odd page. These all would be a section breaks, whereas next paragraph is not the type of section breaks. So A is the wrong answer here. 128. Which of the following tabs in MS Word contains the option to insert footnotes? So page layout, review and insert, as we all know, would not give them. So C, references will give this feature of footnotes. So the correct answer is C, that is references. 129. How can you use different page orientations on the same Word document? So the correct answer is by changing margins we will be able to use different page orientations. So the correct answer would be here D. 130. What is the shortcut key to set the paragraph line spacing to 1.5 in MS Word document? So the shortcut key would be Control plus 5. That is C option. 131. Which of the following features of MS Word lets you create personalized letters to the number of recipients with different names and addresses? So this feature is provided in MS Word, that is mail merge. So mail merge, what it would be doing, it would be creating personalized letters to number of residents with their different names and addresses. So the correct answer here would be D option, that is mail merge. Heading towards 132. What is the key combination used to insert a new line character in the text of a cell in MS Word sheet? So Alt plus Enter is the key combination which will be creating a new line in the same cell. So A is the right answer here. Next is 123. An array formula can be entered in a cell in MS Excel by entering formula and pressing which shortcut key? So that shortcut key would be Control plus Shift plus Enter, that is C. 134. Consider the following data in MS Excel worksheet. Sorry, I am here, sorry to say, these two Excel questions I am not aware about. So when I will be getting to know about these questions, I will be mentioning them in my next videos. So these two questions. So heading towards 136, I am very sorry to say I don't know. 136, as I am not from that sector, but when I'll solve, I'll upload that video as well. So okay, coming towards 137 question, assume that you have full names of the employees in one column of MS Excel sheet. The option lets you split the full name into columns first name and last name. So that option would be test 2 columns. Next is, which of the following option in MS Excel lets you restrict the value of a cell from the list of values? That is data validation. It will create a validation, that is, it will create a set of rules so that a particular set of values will be able to add. So the correct answer here would be D, that is data validation. Next question we have is 139. Assume that in an MS Excel sheet, cell A1 contains the value 10% and the cell A2 contains the value 5%. Then what will be the value of the formula A1 star A2? That would be 0.005, that is B. 140. Which of the following is correct formula in MS Excel to round the number in a cell A1 to the nearest multiple of 10? So that formula would be round A1 to -1. That would be given 10 units place. D. Now 141. Which of the following features of MS Excel can be used to highlight the marks obtained by the students if the marks are below 10? So conditional formatting is the feature which provides this conditioning feature, like we can give a specific conditions. So the correct answer will be D, that is conditional formatting. Now 142, which of the following is not a valid cell address in MS Excel? These all three, A, B and D are the valid syntax, whereas C is not a valid cell address. So the C would be the wrong one. 143, which of the following functions in MS Excel is used to search a value in a leftmost column of the table and returns the corresponding value from another column in the same row? So that would be B, that is VLOOKUP. 144, which of the following is the correct cell format to display only the month name of the data entered in the cell? So the correct answer would be C, that is MMMM. 145, a dash is a tool in MS Excel to calculate, summarize and analyze data to study patterns and trend in the data. So that is the pivot table which helps in calculating, summarizing and analyzing data. So the correct option would be here is D, that is pivot table. Next, heading towards 146 question, which feature in MS Excel let you quickly insert consecutive odd numbers in a column of a sheet? So that feature would be B, that is fill, then go to series. So that B is the correct option. Next, heading towards question number 147, assume that in an MS Excel sheet cell A1 and A2 contains values 5 and 5% respectively, then what will be the value of the formula A1 plus A2 entered in the cell A3 of the sheet? Sorry, I am not aware about this question, but as per me that would be B, but let's see what would be the answer. I don't know. Now next question is 148. Which of the following charts in MS Excel shows numerical data as slices of a single circle? So the correct answer here would be D, that is pie chart. Next is 149. Which of the following features in MS Excel lets you record a sequence of keystrokes and play them again when required? So the correct answer here is B, that is macro. Next is 150th question. What is the full form of UDP with reference to TCP IP protocols? So that answer would be D, that is user datagram protocol is the full form. D option is right. 151. In which of the following network topologies all the nodes are connected to a central connecting point? That it is a star topology, that all the nodes are connected to the central hub. So answer here would be A, that is star. Next question we have is 152. Which of the following transmission media makes use of 4 pair of insulated copper wires? So twisted pairs use 2, so that is UTP, that uses 4 pairs of insulated copper wires. So A is the right answer, that is UTP. Heading towards 153. Which of the following internet services is responsible for translation of domain names into corresponding IP addresses? So domain name system. So this B part is the right answer, DNS. 154. In which of the following networks the problem of hidden terminal arises? So in wireless network this problem of hidden terminal used to arise. 155. What is the length in bits of an IPv6 address? So IPv6 address have a length of 128, that is D. 156. The concept of IP addresses belongs to the dash layer of ISO OSI reference model. So network layer has this concept of IP addresses. So B is the right answer here. Now 157. What is the recommended maximum length of UTP Cat6 cable? So the recommended maximum length of UTP Cat6 cable is 100 meter, that is option D. 158. How many usable IPv4 addresses are there in a network with subnet mask 255.255.255.240? So the correct answer here is C, that is 14. 159. Which of the following IPv4 address series is reserved by IANA for private use? So the B, 192.168.10.0/16 is the series. So B is the right answer here. 160th question we have. In which mode of communication transmission can occur in both directions but only in one direction at a time? So in both direction transmission can take place but only one at a time. So that communication mode is half duplex, that is B. 161. GSM, UMTS and LTE are the types of. These are the types of cellular technology. So answer D is the right answer here. 162. Which of the following color wire is not found in UTP cable? We have orange, green, blue and brown wires in UTP cables, but we don't have yellow color wire. So D is the right answer here. Heading towards 163 question. Ubuntu, Kali and Sedent OS are the popular distribution of which operating system? So Linux is the popular Linux is an operating system. This Ubuntu, Kali and Condense are popular distributions of. So B is the right answer here. 164. Which of the following is a built-in web browser for Mac OS? As we all know, that is Safari. As we know that in Apple's mobiles we used to see Safari as a web browser. So the correct answer here is C, that is Safari. 165. What is the command in Linux to list the directory content? So there are commands used. There used to be commands in Linux. So the command which is used for list in the directory content is ls, that is A. Next is the dash mode in Google Chrome browser can be used for private browsing. So for the sake of private browsing, there is an incognito mode in Google Chrome, so that Google it saves your history, whatever you have searched. So using that mode, Google will not save that. So that is the mode, that is incognito, that is C. Next we have is next we have here is where we were. 167. The famous WannaCry malware is an example of. So this WannaCry malware is an example of ransomware. That is D is the right answer here. 168. A dash is a malware that grabs the keystroke pressed by the user and sends them to the hacker. So keylogger is a malware that grabs the keystroke. So as we can get a hint that keystrokes by keylogger. Now coming towards 169th question. Which network security device allows and blocks incoming and outgoing network traffic based on a defined set of security rules? So as we all know, that is firewall. It will create a wall between the two interconnections. So that answer correct here is D. Next we have 170th question. Which of the following commands in Windows Linux is used to check the status of an active network connection? So that command used here is B, that is netstat. Next is 171. Sorry, we only have 170 questions. So thank you. If there would be wrong answers, you can give suggestions in the comment section, and I'm really thankful to you. Thank you.